I had a talk with President Erdogan and the Prime Minister of si Erdenbat sa Mongolia. They also want to, gusto nila na magsali sa ASEAN. Since I am the chair, ang Pilipinas nga, they wanted me to sponsor their entry. And I said, yes, why not? Yung babae, ang Chusi, ang nagsabi niya, have you considered the physical the geography, whether they are part of the ASEAN or not? But they are. I would say that they are. Turkey seems to be ambivalent to whether to be a bridge of Europe and Asia or being an Asian.